Hey, soon I'm installing a dashcam in Golf MK7, but today I'm just going to show you where's the cabin fuse box and how to access it, as I will need to access it to install the dashcam wiring. Okay, so the fuse box is over here on the driver's side. You need to open this compartment and squeeze it on both sides to release two limitation pins that are over here and over here. And when you do this, this compartment will just open even wider, and you will have access to the fuses that are behind it. And you will also be able to remove this compartment just so it's not in your way when you are replacing some fuses. Now I have access to the fuses, and the most interesting one is this one. 20 amps. This is for your cigarette lighter, for your 12-volt outlet. So most likely you are here to know where's this fuse, how to access it, and how to replace it. This is this one, and over here there are some other ones, and please refer to your owner's manual to know which is responsible for what. Also, there are fuses under the hood, so check those if you need to. And when you need to close it, just place it over here, push it, and smack close it. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon.